Okay, it is out with the old and in with the new. Mitch has a load going to the dump here, and there are the old doors up in there. There you go. And we've been using the table saw a bit today. I guess there's a little bit of mess on the floor. I should probably sweep that. I did not notice that until just now. Okay, and then I'll show you the door we installed. Okay, so this is where the new doors are. You just saw the old doors in the back of the truck on their way to the dump. And then we have built out the walls here, furred them out a little bit to be a 2x6 wall, better insulation. So we just cut wood to fit 1 3/4 inches deep, and that works out to be just about the right size to match up with the door jamb. And you can see the door jamb here, and there's a 1/2 inch of space here, so wallboard goes here, flush to the door, and then we put our trim on. So that's going to work out pretty good. And then this here is the beam that we did. It's looking real good. Lots of support on it. About 3, 4.5, 5 inches of 2x4s holding it up there, and about 2 5 inches over on this side here. So this is where we are going to pull the get a light here. Yep, there. Okay, so this is the 4-inch plumbing that we have to pull out, and it's going to come down through there. And we're going to change this to 3-inch pipe so that we drill a 3 5/8 hole through a tripled up 11 7/8 LVL that will be 5.5 inches wide. And so that will let us, that'll be a big enough beam for this span to be able to drill that size hole. And then this is the drain for the bathroom upstairs. Remember, we did that on the last video, had to cut that out, and we drilled across the joists up there, and it runs across. So this is going to get changed yet again, and there's going to be a T over on this side, a 3-inch T with an 1.5 inch, actually a 3-inch Y, and this 1.5 inch drain from the bathroom upstairs will go into the Y and drain into the pipe after the toilet up there. And then the toilet already has a vent over here, so we'll be good to go, and the tub will drain into the 3-inch pipe too. So good to go on that. And then this here will all get eliminated. All of the old cast iron 4-inch pipe. So this is what we have up here. You see the 10-inch 2x10s, and then that's effectively 9 3/4. Then you see the 2x3s, which is, it adds up to 12 inches, which is the same size as the beam here, 11 7/8. So those go together seamlessly. We're going to get some bolts for the ledger here, and then we'll put some hangers in there too, just to strengthen that up. So anyway, this is the great room now. This area was the old kitchen, and that back wall was removed, put in the big beam, and this is the new addition. Hi, Captain. How you doing, buddy? Good boy. So things are coming along very nicely. Okay, I'm going to get going now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to keep following this project, and we will see you on the next video. And while I'm thinking about it, this is the temporary kitchen. I did not show this before. So these are the old kitchen cabinets. Those are the glass wall cabinets. There's the old sink, dishwasher, drawers, and that is the old countertop. So we just cut everything here to fit. Got the old stove. There's a bonus cabinet. So everything's working out pretty good. You know, tight space, but they are making the most of it. This is how we hooked up the dishwasher, is to the laundry hot. And the dishwasher is plugged into the wash machine outlet, which is also being used for a percolator. And the stove is plugged into a dryer outlet. So this is working out very, very nicely. It's actually almost like a nice kitchen. Just so you see the plumbing underneath here. The bucket's there just for safety, but yeah, that's how everything got plumbed in here. Okay.